Hey, how's it going, guys? Stephanie's here. Welcome back for another video. Thank you very much for tuning in for today's video. So, let's talk about the Shure MV7. So, this is the Shure MV7. I already did a couple of videos and I did some interesting videos. So, I'm gonna leave it here or here so you can watch it. But yeah, Shure MV7. 250 British pounds, 259 USA dollars. This is a quite expensive microphone in my opinion. Well, for some people, because end of the day, if the gear doesn't matter. So, but I was so, I don't know, when I watch reviews and it's kind of popular microphone. So if you type the best microphone on YouTube or microphone for 200 and 250 British pounds or dollars, I mean it's already there. So and many people review this microphone. I know it's been out, I think like 7-8 months ago. And it's great microphone, don't get me wrong, but I think there's a couple of things I believe Shure should fix. First, let's talk about the app. The app is very, very good, except a couple of things which I think is missing. So if Shure you watch today's video, which I doubt, but if for some reason you watch this video, I have a couple of suggestions for the app. So let's start with the first one. So I watched a review a few days ago. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below for a really nice channel. This person, he did a really nice review of the app, so I'm gonna link it down below just to check it. Actually, this is his idea. So as you can see here now, when you scroll down, we have a live meters. So basically what does do, when you switch it on, hello, so now the meters actually are on the microphone. So you know the meters when you speak closely to the microphone, and if the sound is too loud, basically picks, and the sound is too much. So instead the meters should be here on the microphone, because when you do the recording, when you record, you're not gonna watch the microphone. If the microphone picks and it's too loud, you're gonna watch your software, your DAW, your software that you record the video or the audio. And this is the first suggestion, which I think it's great suggestion. So instead the meter to be on the microphone, it's better to be on the software, on the app. So this makes more sense, I believe. And the other suggestion that personally I think is gonna be good is I don't know, give us a different EQ modes. I know we have 4 EQ modes. So for example, this is the flat one. The second one is high pass. I don't feel any difference. The third one is precision boost. I think I said right. Apologize about the noise. There's a noise outside. And the fourth one is high pass and precision boost. I think this is the right term. So I don't know. Personally, I prefer the flat. The flat, I believe, sounds much better for my voice. And give us maybe a different options, and maybe give us a manual EQ, because not every voice is the same. I know this is targeted as a podcast microphone, and but not many people is gonna buy this microphone for podcasting only. Many people buy this microphone because they like the sound. They know that Shure, it's a great company. They do amazing products and so on, so forward. But many people buy microphone just because the microphone is good, and it's a dynamic microphone. Doesn't require phantom power. Um, Now I'm using the USB option. I know you can use with the XLR, but all these functions is not working, so it's useless. So I mean, I'm 100% sure. Yeah, this actually, see what I did. I'm 100% sure that many people return this microphone because they don't like the voice. They don't like how the voice sounds. So give us a manual EQ, and uh, I think when you have a manual EQ, you can tweak. You can find your voice. So for example, personally, I I like only the flat option. So also we have a compression here. So let's try now. So this is with the light compression. This is with the medium compression, and this is with heavy compression. So I think I do like. I think personally for my voice, I believe the medium compression I think sounds much better. So there's no like a lot of options, if you know what I mean. And I believe uh when you spend like $250, you expect to have like proper options because it's hard to find the voice. It's hard to find your desired voice because I'm 100% sure some people return the microphone because they don't like the voice. So if my voice doesn't sound good, if I do like a podcast or just general normal video, if I don't like the sound, how I sound, I mean, obviously, I will not keep the microphone. Don't get me wrong, this is a great microphone. I do like it actually. Uh, but personally, for me, works only a couple of options. So, like I mentioned, the flat, it's my favorite option. Let's try the medium compression with the some of the EQs. So this is high pass. I don't like it. I don't know. I'm gonna check the video later, so we'll see. But personally, in my headphones, sounds quite muddy and thinny. Let's try the presence boost. It's not precision. Oh my god, presence boost. Uh, Presence boost. I don't know. I don't feel any difference. And we have high pass and presence boost. So high pass, presence boost, high pass, and presence boost. I mean, I don't see any difference. If I'm honest with you, the only option that I like is the flat EQ, which I think is okay, but I don't know. So I know you're gonna spend £250 dollars, and you expect to find your perfect option. Otherwise, I don't know. I know many people probably is gonna buy the SM7B. I know this expired from the SM7B, the bigger brother. But SM7B it's $400. Plus you need to buy an audio interface. You need to buy uh, cloud lifter, I believe, because needs a lot of gain. So we're talking about $700 already, even more. But I don't know. I think it's a great microphone. I like it, but if I use only the flat EQ, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the microphone. I do like it, but when you try it, when you use it for a couple of days, and when you tweak the audio a little bit and see that um is not okay. I mean, it's great, but it's not fantastic. Don't get me wrong. So also we have another option here. We have the auto level where all the magic is happening. So if you leave it on auto level, the microphone will find your your perfect settings. So as you can see, it's on auto level, and we are to the near option. Let's try far. All right, so this is the far option. Actually, I like it. This is the dark option. So if you want like the radio vibe, if you want this, hey, how's it going, guys? Stephanie's here. Welcome back for another video. This is excuse me. This is 777. This is radio 7537. I'm your host. I don't know. So if you like the dark, I don't know, for some people, this is great option. And this is the bright. The bright is, I think it's okay. I think I like the bright as well. So I don't know. You get my point. So I don't know if I'm going to keep the microphone, but I believe many people, some people love this microphone, some people don't. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? What are the options you would like to see in the ShurePlus Motiv app? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe and like it. This is the only way to support this channel. I'll appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe. As always, this is Stefan. I'll see you in the next video.